How to connect eBay store with Instagram. To connect your eBay store with Instagram, the easiest and most efficient way is this. First of all you have to do is open any preferred web browser and navigate to the ebay.com and make sure you are logged into your eBay account. Then all you have to do is simply type down the eBay social link and search for it. You will get to see the sociallink.com website option available at the top. Tap on it and scroll down, and there you can see link your social media option available. Tap on the link your account. Now here you are in the site where you can link your social medias easily. Now tap on the Instagram option available there, and there is a link button available right next to it. Tap on the Instagram, and all you have to do is first of all create or link your Facebook business account in order to link your Instagram. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.